In today's video, we'll walk you through how to add custom validation to the WooCommerce checkout block to enforce a specific email domain when a certain product is in the cart. Simply copy the snippet provided below and add it to your child themes functions.php file, or use a plugin like Code Snippets to implement it. In this code, we've defined a validation rule that checks if a specific product with the ID 2269 is present in the cart. If this product is added, the checkout process will only proceed if the customer's email address matches the predefined domain, tychesoftwares.com. Now, let's test this functionality. We'll first add the specified product to the cart and proceed to checkout by entering an email address. As expected, the checkout is restricted, displaying an error message due to an invalid email domain. To proceed, we'll update the email to one that matches the required domain at tychesoftwares.com. And now, as you can see, the order is successfully placed. This confirms that the validation logic works as intended within the new WooCommerce checkout blocks page.